Hello, my name is Tanner Hukezalie, and I'm a registered Canadian patent agent at the patent and trademark agent firm Craig Wilson & Company in Mississauga, Ontario, Canada. A recommended first step in the patent process is to have a patent search made. The idea behind a patent search is to locate patents and published patent applications which are in the field of technology to which your invention relates. I say that a search is recommended because it is not a mandatory part of the process. However, it is strongly recommended that you have a search made before proceeding with filing a patent application. Drafting a patent application and filing patent applications, especially in more than one country, is a substantial monetary investment. A patent search provides you with an assessment of the patent activity in your technology area. It will also provide you with a likelihood of success in obtaining patent protection for your invention and an estimate on what the scope of protection will look like once that patent protection is obtained. This can be helpful information to know before you decide to invest in having a patent application drafted and filing in one or more countries around the world. If the search fails to locate a reference which covers one or more features of your invention, then you may have an invention which is clear of the prior art and for which you may be able to obtain patent protection should you decide to file a patent application. I strongly recommend you reach out to a registered Canadian patent agent, such as myself, to have your search made. A patent agent is in the best position to provide you with an assessment of the prior art, what it means, and how it will impact your patent application going forward. It's been my great pleasure to speak with you today about the process for acquiring patent protection in Canada for your invention. Thank you very much for joining me, and I look forward to seeing you next time.